For 90 years, electric supply and equipment has been a cornerstone in the industrial automation and manufacturing markets, continuously raising the bar in product solutions, customer service, and professional training. Now, in 2025, we're taking the bar to a whole new decibel.
That's right! ES&E is proud to announce the formation of ES&E Records and our first release, ES&E Sings, a compilation of songs dedicated to the automation products and services you can't get enough of. Get your hard hat and earbuds ready as you dive into electric tracks like VFD Thunder, enjoy yacht rock smoothness with Stack Light of My Life.
Oh, you're the stack light of my life. Thinking right, cutting through the strife. With your colors, you show the way. Keeping down time and babe.
Get bouncy with the IO Link connection.
IO Link, baby, let's get connected. All the data flow, we're protected. From devices to the edge, it's all in sync. We're running the show with that IO Link.
And who can forget that timeless classic ode to my PLC?
PLC, it's you and me. In the world of industry, we set machines free.
Just one listen and you'll agree, nothing gets the workday going like ES&E Sings. You can get this album on vinyl, compact disc, cassette tape, 8-track tape, mini disc, and coming soon to those fancy dancy streamers. So don't delay. Get your plant floor dancing, moving, and grooving to ES&E Sings today. Here's how to listen.
Scan the QR code on your screen to access the playlist. Be sure to like and share them with your friends. Oh, and by the way, happy April Fool's Day.